Hey guys, welcome to Next State channel. And this video is just about congratulating people who have took trade as per my view or my standpoint, alright? And I'm just going to show like what I said on the previous video before taking these positions or explaining why these will happen and what just really happened, alright? So let's get started, alright? Let me first go to Bitcoin. Okay. So I said like this may be an bull, what to say, a reversal pattern, and actually it got reversed, and you know these resistance got again once again respected, and then the market just like that reversed. Okay, so if you close this in like on that point, it is a good move, but later it just a little bit of a pump, and then the dump again started. What I will say is like I know this move is coming, but you know potentially many would have been closed or what to say booked even losses because you took trade here. Maybe yeah, not everyone would have taken in this position. Maybe someone would have taken. So yeah, that's why I said like that because I saw like some bullish sentiment in the market, so I told that way, and actually market reflected in that manner. All right, that's about Bitcoin. Okay, I asked you to short here and then closed around this place. So if you guys shorted and closed in the right point, first of all, congratulations for taking this wonderful trade. Then when it comes to Ethereum, we can clearly see like I was posting video when the ETH was around this range. Okay, so you should have caught what is it? Caught a wonderful move. Once again, the timestamp of this and the BTC are this range or same. So both are applicable, but I what to say specifically mentioned about Bitcoin because Bitcoin was more bullish in once again when compared to other tokens. So I didn't mention about other tokens, but focused only on Bitcoin. I don't think like I'm saying because the market has dumped more. No, not like that. Because the sentiment was very bad. That's what I'm trying to say from the start about altcoins. Bitcoin was somewhat bullish, but not any other altcoins. So yes, that's what. And you should have potentially been holding to the position till now because this trend line is till now being respected, and then that EMA ribbon line is just like that falling. This is quite a good move actually, but so when to close your position, right? This is a steep roll, and maybe what to say, a reversal might happen, right? What I would say is like, you know, close your position when these kind of weak patterns form. Right? Don't just FOMO and close like even if the weak move was like this or smaller wicks. Just wait for a bigger one or these kind of tweezer patterns. Tweezer, I guess, yeah, tweezer patterns because as you can see, the wicks are of same size, and then the open or close of both these candles are in same level. These are called tweezers, bottom tweezers. So if you see any of those patterns, you can close this trade. But till then, because it is looking very bearish, in my opinion, you can still hold on to the position if you have shorted, or if you're trying to buy, you can still wait for an even good price. Okay, so that's about Ethereum, and then when it comes to BNB, once again, if you saw my last video, you know that I say to short when this blue region is broken. All right, that's what I say, and you can easily see that how much it got respected. See the rejection here. Try to what is it, maintain that like even if it's a breakout, it tried to maintain in this position once again. If that got rejected, it was a good fall. Once again, try to like break out this region. Once again, got rejected and dump because so it is a good part actually. So if you are if you any one of you guys shorted here, then that's a good move. All right. Now actually a breakdown happened today evening actually. So after that market was falling around. All right. And also the target which I told you lastly was met. Okay, that's once again congratulations to everyone. Okay, next, soul. If you what to say, if you have seen the moment of soul and compared to others, soul was quite a bit bullish. But I asked you guys to short over here and took some what to say profit over here, or if you are like brave enough to hold, just hold on till 3.55, right? That's what I actually told in that video. So actually, even that target got triggered, and you can see how much bearish it turned after this was broken. There was a breakdown, a retracement, and then a good breakdown. Right? That's what actually happened, and that's how it should happen. All right. So yeah, if you have put these trades, very artful congratulations to one and everyone, and keep supporting me, guys, and kindly share to everyone and make this channel a better place and then a bigger one so that I can what to say provide more useful contents to you guys in an what is it a faster way and a better way. So yeah, keep supporting guys, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, like this video, and then share to everyone. Thank you all.